719 Emerald Idol. This is a gated community. That right there is a driveway. It's a shared driveway. As you can see, this property is not on a shared driveway. It just doesn't have one, really, just a sidewalk. Some of them have short driveways. This one, okay, so this is the sidewalk right here. This is the driveway. So as you can see, it's two cars. I'm parked right here. There's another car parked right here. Appears to be legally parked. That's a shared driveway, and this side of the property is on a shared driveway. So this may be covered by the HOA. I'll look into that. So the side of the property is on the shared driveway. Okay, so we have tile at the entry of the home, then it changes to carpet. The walls are white, and we have 2.5-inch faux wood blinds, which are great. That's what we typically tend to use. We have the tile in the powder room as well. Oh yeah, I'll head out there. Thank you so much. Thanks.
There's also a community park. The lots are small, but there's a community park just like 100 steps down there.
Oh, that's really good to know, actually. Thank you. So this yard wraps around to the shared driveway side. Ground AC units, laminate counters with an island, gooseneck faucet. Cabinets appear to be in good condition. Full-size pantry. You already saw the garage. Okay, let's head upstairs. Carpet is in good condition. We always do a janitorial and a carpet cleaning. So we have double doors on this master. So 2 closets. Tile. Tile in here as well. Okay, that's the property.